Right, so I bought my Cartier Love bracelet from Madrid. Cartier Serrano. It's called Cartier Serrano, the shop, because it's in Serrano Street where the shop is actually, or the boutique is actually located. So pretty good. It's pretty wise as well that they gave this white paper bag to me, but the red paper bag is inside. So I think because many tourists would buy from that Cartier boutique, and you know how it is in Europe at the moment. There's pretty much a lot of news going on about pickpocketing, so they want to avoid that. Because imagine if you were carrying this red Cartier bag while you were walking the streets of Madrid. I feel like that's too dangerous. So let me just get this bag inside the bag. So it came with this. She handed this to me. My sales assistant was actually, her name is Maria. She's beautiful. She's got a lot of amazing stack on her wrist as well. She's got everything, like she's got Cartier earrings, rings, all the bracelets. I feel like I really want to work for a little bit at a Cartier boutique, because I feel like they get discounts, like employee purchase program, I don't know, but I feel like that's a good incentive. So it's this white bag and then this red Cartier paper bag. So what comes in the bag is a pouch, so in case you're traveling, you can put your bracelet in here. So you put that bracelet and snug it into this little pillow, and then there's the pocket inside. That's where your screw should be placed so it doesn't scratch the bracelet itself. So yeah, pretty well thought of. So if you're traveling, you just have to put your bracelet in here, the screw, and then you put it in your personal bag. So that's that. And then there's also a care box for jewelry and watches. So she gave this to me. I don't know if everything comes with this, but she gave it to me. So there's a towel, there's a spray. This is a 30 ml. You'll get a little brush. So that's the towel, the spray bottle, 30 ml, and then some care instructions. Yeah, I think for all languages. But of course I'm not gonna read that. I'm too lazy like that. So yes, let's put them back in the box, nice and neatly. Yeah. So I think you can buy this individually because it's got like a serial number. So I think you can buy this. I don't know for how much, but it came with a box. And she gave me free perfume samples. So it came in a little tiny box. Tiny version of the bigger one. So I think she gave me 5. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually 6, because as you know, she was sizing up the bracelet that I should get. I asked her, well, you really smell nice, and what's that perfume that you're wearing? And she says, because she's Spanish, she was saying something, but it was along the lines of, I'm not wearing the perfume that we sell here. So I think she couldn't tell me what it was. So she gave me a sample. I think, yeah, once you decide to actually sit down and get yourself a Cartier bracelet, try to like small talk your sales assistant. Tell them like, you know, I don't know, like you smell nice, or what would you recommend as a perfume that I get if ever I'm in the future I would get one. So they will definitely give you the samples. And yeah, maybe you could ask them what perks or employee discounts do they get if you ever decide to work for Cartier. So she gave me, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 variants. So I've got I don't know how to say it, the Panther, basically, but I don't know how to say that in English. La Panthère. Does that sound right? I really don't know. And each sample is like 2 ml. And I got the Baiser Vol. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's that. And the Oud and Santal. I feel like if it's oud, it's musky, and I don't like musky scents. The Lior Diaphan. It seems like it sounds like diaphragm. And another Baiser Voile. So it's just 2 ml. It's not much, but at least she gave me something. Yeah. So yes, this came in that tiny box, which is, where did I put that? Okay, so it's here. She gave me 6. She's very lovely. She smells divine. Like when I was sitting there, I'm like, oh, I'm not worthy to be in your presence. You're, I don't know. I felt like shy going in there and just getting one bracelet, and she has a stack of Cartier bracelets. I think she's got the Cartier Love bangle with the diamonds, plus the Just Don Clou bracelet with the diamonds. Pretty much have everything. So that's kind of like why I thought, if I love the brand so much, I love the jewelry, I love jewelries, I should maybe spend 2 years working for them as a sideline. I don't know, Cartier, do you take part-time? And finally, this box. Why did I open it? I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, that's that. And then of course, finally, the certificate. So I just want to hide the serial number because I don't want this to be copied anywhere. But yeah, basically you have a stamp, and that's the red stamp. On top, that's the serial number here, which I don't want to show you guys because this is authentic. And then there's embossed logo of Cartier and the date that I bought it, which is 9th of June 2023. So yeah, printed in France. This is my legit certificate. I'm pretty happy with it, and again, guys, thanks for unboxing this with me. Sorry. Thanks for unboxing this with me. It's pretty special because it's been a dream of mine. And yeah, I feel like my dreams, I'm slowly starting to achieve them. Slowly though. Slowly but surely. And yeah. We don't want to get everything we want in life. Like, if you manifest everything all at once, imagine how overwhelming that would be. Like, if you're at a dining table and you want to see everything that you'd like to eat, you can't possibly enjoy everything that you'll be eating at that moment, because it shouldn't be like that. Like, you should be, as we grow, as we go through life, what we want changes, and we also change, and that's how it's supposed to be. We're not supposed to stay constant. We're not supposed to be the same. We all evolved. What I wanted before is it's definitely not going to be the same ones that I have now, because I've fully grown, matured. That's what I wanted to say. And as we experience and go through life, we also experience different contrasts, different wants. So yeah, just go and ride the wave, enjoy life, and yeah, I hope you get everything that your hearts desire. Not all at once, but in proper timing. Again, thank you for unboxing my precious jewelry with me. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks, and you have a great night. Bye.